Hi, this is Loughrea here from FT's in Loughrea. I'm just going to show you a small demonstration on how to care for your roses. This is a carpet rose. You can see the length of the stem. It needs to be pruned because it's too wavy. So I will do it at an outward pointing bud. If you want to zoom in, an outward pointing bud. So I'm taking this much off, which is about eight inches. Okay, and I'm going to do the same on this. This is actually going to be longer. So I'm going to take about one and a quarter feet off this, and the same on this, an outward pointing bud at a slanting angle. And just this tip, just because it's small, you're just taking 3 inches. Now you have a body, and the base ones will start opening up, and it's a carpet rose for that. This is what I usually feed, is a Miracle-Gro rose and shrub feed. This is done in 2 capfuls to a full watering can, and it's done as a foliar feed. That means you're drenching the leaves and you're also drenching the base of the plant. There's another tip here for you at the minute. We're going to be disbudding. So the flowers that have gone off, you'll be just taking down to the first leaf. There's 1 off and there's 2. You don't have to go down any lower. That's just on disbudding at the minute because they're free flowering. And on this is another tool for you. We have this is dieback, so you're taking all the rotten wood at an angle, and the same here on this one here. You shouldn't have the brown in it because it'll only affect your plant, and you get a clean cut. And this is done with a Wilkinson sword secateurs.